So after extensive consultation with the Chief Medical Officer of Health and the Public Health Measures Table, Toronto and Peel will be moved into lockdown. My friends, I know these past few months have been extremely difficult. COVID fatigue is setting in on all of us, is setting in on all of us, is setting in on all of us.
What?
Toronto and Peel will be moved into lockdown.
Mother...
I basically just wanted to have a whole day dedicated to my self-care, whether that be skincare, whether that be meditation and yoga, whether that be less social media, whether that be drinking a whole bottle of wine to myself. I'm not really celebrating Valentine's Day. This is probably as good as it's gonna get because there's not really much you can do in the city. Everything is in lockdown. This is literally what I do for fun. I rent hotel rooms and I just look at them, have fun, and take pictures in them and leave. This is the wine that I'm gonna be sipping on tonight. I heard about this wine from Dana Alexia, and I see it all over her Instagram, and I see like different people try it. Let me get my first impression of Apothic Red on camera. This is so good. It's very light. Oh, you better be careful with this because honestly, this is like juice. Like I can finish this whole bottle, not really take it in like that. And it goes down really smooth. Video is in collaboration with Hero Cosmetics. I wanted to celebrate this Valentine's Day kind of on my own. Really just focus on my mental health and my self-care. Drinking my wine, watching my favorite TV shows and my favorite stand-up comedies, ordering my favorite food. This day is all about me. I just want to indulge in all my favorite things. Yeah, you know, if you want to celebrate Valentine's Day with your girls, that's fine too, or by yourself, that's fine too. As long as you are showing someone some type of love or sharing the love, even though it's by yourself, that's all that really matters. You don't need another guy or anyone else to do this. By the way, if you guys are bored in lockdown, get yourself a hotel room or Airbnb, switch up the environment. It really does help a lot. Yeah, something that I like to do. Cheers. I'm gonna be completely honest, I've been neglecting myself for a couple months now. Like my skincare routine hasn't really been on point like that. I haven't really been doing my favorite things. Today's just all about getting back into that. So thank you Hero Cosmetics, and their brand really promotes self-care, self-love. They provide a bunch of skincare products that can really help you. So I'm gonna be sharing some of my favorite Hero Cosmetics skincare products throughout this video. You can use my code, it'll be on the screen or in the description box if you guys want to go ahead and purchase any of these products. It's really cold out and y'all know I have really dry skin and I haven't really been shaving my legs or any of that. I'm really in hibernation mode right now. Yeah, I just need to like take care of my skin a lot better. Like I can do a lot better, you know. So I have scrubs, I have pimple patches, I have rescue balms. I'm gonna be shaving on camera with you guys. I want you guys to pour yourselves a glass of wine and let's make this a cute time together so we can both enjoy ourselves throughout this video. First things first, I have to tie my hair up because there is no way I'm getting my braids wet. This has vitamin E and shea in it, so it's great for hydration. It's called Sunset Glow by Bath & Body Works. Smells so good and it leaves my skin feeling and looking really good. This is by First Aid Beauty and it is basically a body exfoliant. Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. Safe for sensitive skin and I love to use it. The texture is a little bit grainy to really get into your skin and take off the dead skin. So I just got word that my boyfriend's actually gonna come a little bit later on. He saw me having a little too much fun. He wanted to be included. So we're gonna jump right into skincare. I feel so clean. And I also feel really nice because this wine is kind of hitting right now, you know? This lighting is making me look pale and I don't like it because I'm not that pale, I swear. Obviously, he doesn't like being in front of the camera, so I can't share this moment with him. That's fine. That's fine. We're still focusing on self-love, you know? When I tell you guys my legs were so dry, like it's so not cute. I don't know if the camera really picked it up. So this product really helped get off that dead skin and my legs feel so soft and smooth. And while I'm still a little moist, I'm going to apply lotion. Girls with big boobs, you guys, you know to always hit the under boob with the towel too, you know? Because that under boob still be wet while the rest of your body is dry. For my body moisturizer, I love these two products. This is again First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and this is the Skin Arctic Repair Cream. I mixed both of them, okay? I'm gonna take care of my body first and then we're gonna move on with the skincare. When you take care of yourself, like when you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you do good. So this is actually really important that I'm taking the time out of my schedule to, like, you know, focus on me. I wish I had a 1-2 ice cube to pop in here. As you can see, I have like no makeup on my face right now. My skin is pretty much on clear. I have this one little pimple that always loves to show up. I also have this pimple that loves to show up as well. And because my hair is in braids, my hair does get greasy, and like I use gel to lay down my baby hairs, so the gel gets on my forehead and I end up with a little breakout. Also along my sides, I do have a bit of texture right here, so I'm gonna use Hero Cosmetics Rescue Balm and their patches to kind of soothe the pimples, and hopefully by tomorrow they're gonna be a lot better. I'm gonna use this Huxley exfoliating scrub. I wish I can play my own music, but copyright, and I'm trying to get them AdSense coins, so I really can't. Basically, anytime you have a little breakout, zits, a little pimple, and you just want to take care of that without doing the whole skincare routine, I really suggest these patches. It literally only has one ingredient, and the ingredient is hydrocolloid. So these are mainly for like whiteheads, and when you can actually see the pus starting to come out, that's when these are really helpful. They're literally invisible. Like you can wear it to school, wear it to work. Unless you look really closely, you won't even notice that it's on. I low-key wish I had a real deal pimple like with pus so I can actually see how this works, because I've seen videos on TikTok, I will insert it here, of people using this, and once they peel it off, you can literally see the pus come out with the patch. So that's how you know it works, and like you're not really putting too much pressure on it, you're not irritating it. There's 39 patches in one pack of these. I can barely see it, it's so thin. I have one here on top of that pimple, one there, and one right here. But like from far away, you would never ever know that I'm actually healing my skin while, you know, while going to school, while going to work. You know, you don't have to walk around with like pimple cream on. This is just a very easy solution for breakouts. I'm really excited to start using that if I ever do have a legit breakout. I'm going to continue with my skincare and go around the patches. This is the moisturizer that I really like to use. It's by Drunk Elephant. This is the F-Bomb Electrolyte Water Facial Mask Hydrant. And I also have the Argan Oil by Drunk Elephant. I like to put this last to really seal the deal. I like to put oil or like even petroleum jelly sometimes, like Vaseline, to really seal. I know the skincare experts are probably gonna yell at me and be like, Vaseline? Yes, my skin gets really dry and I need something to really like lock in the moisture, which that really does for me. I'm gonna put a little bit more and just go down my neck. I'm gonna take another sip of my wine. Ah! Did I forget a thumbnail, girl? Yes, I did. Okay, let me look cute. I'm sorry. Just have to. Got a thumbnail. I really think that even after I take out these braids, I'm gonna get braids again. I just like the way I look with braids, and it's a really easy hairstyle. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get the same style as well. So now I'm going to apply my oil. This is expensive. Okay, this says Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. I guess it's really rich and refined oil, because I used to use the Ordinary brand. That price was like a fraction of this, how much this cost. Placing that on my face. I would normally go ham, but again, I'm trying to avoid the patches. I'm going to use this Drunk Elephant C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. Okay, it's a little bit too much. I'm gonna go in with my ring finger because that is a very delicate finger. And go around my eyes. I get the crease too because the way I be laughing and smiling 24/7, like I'm bound to have, what are they called? Are they called crow's feet? But those lines, those wrinkles on the corner of your eyes, like I just feel like I'm gonna have them super duper quickly because my face stays in this position. You know, I'm like constantly smiling, constantly getting premature wrinkles. I'm even thinking about getting Botox in this area so that I can kind of prevent that from happening. You can start at any age, honestly. I've seen people in their 20s with Botox and they look great. It just depends how, you know, if you go overboard or where you put it, if you have a good nurse. So Botox is actually something I'm really considering getting. I'm doing all this and I'm actually gonna head out. So I'm gonna be wearing a mask. I hate when I do a whole skincare routine and I have to just like kind of ruin it. Did all this for nothing, but it's okay. And this Rescue Balm, which I'm gonna use tomorrow before I head out, it kind of restores your blemishes. It's a post-blemish recovery cream. So after I take these out, I'm gonna use this right after. I'm gonna vlog a little bit. I'm gonna enjoy the cold winter night out in the town with my boyfriend. Again, thank you Hero Cosmetics for sponsoring this video. And if you guys are interested, you can use my code Shoshana15 for 15% off your purchase. It'll also be in the description box below along with the links. And now let's continue on with the rest of this vlog. By the way, look how cute these little slippers are. So you guys know Nahum, right? His mom knits and she knitted me, Heaven, and Selena little knitted slippers. Like, look how freaking cute. And I thought this would be the perfect place to wear it because like I'm in a hotel and I get cold feet really quickly. So yeah, I just have to slide that in before I, you know, left. So
I just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't want to see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me?
If I fell off tomorrow,
go build a life without me, cause you're mine still. Yeah.
can you pass the water?
If you get Chick-fil-A, you have to get the lemonade and iced tea mixture. We got that spicy chicken deluxe, waffle fries. Oh yeah. This is only meal one. I'm trying to go back out.
My first time eating this burger.
This guy was gonna go to Chick-fil-A and order the original sandwich. I said, if you don't change that to the spicy deluxe right now, what a rookie.
Honestly, it's like Wendy's. You know, like Wendy's is pretty fire.
No, he did not just compare Chick-fil-A to Wendy's. Don't ask me how I gain weight. This is it. Relationship weight is real, okay? All you do is eat. It's so moist that you don't even need a sauce.
Overrated.
Child. Anyway, so
Now would you leave me if you found out I was thugging? Do you believe me when I tell you you're the one I'm loving?
I'm just gonna drink wine and chill for the rest of the night. As you guys heard or seen, Paul is now here.
I like how you say my name.
What am I supposed to say? Your name is Paul. Like, it's a lame ass name, I know.
Don't say Paul.
Paul. There was still a long line for Chick-fil-A, like even during a pandemic. We lined up for about like 2 minutes while we were like ready to leave. I looked outside and the line wrapped around the whole store, so we got there just in time. But yeah, we were still social distancing obviously while we were lining up. We had our masks on, everyone had their masks on.
Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down?
Your mind is not fucking based on you. It's an amalgamation of all different things, all bunch of things. Who?
Could you love me on the bus?
People.
Control, because you can't imagine the reason I'm with you because I don't need you, but I love her. She loathes herself so much because of all the kids.
Good morning, guys. So it is the next morning. I actually fell asleep with the Mighty Patch on and they stayed put all night. But I'm gonna take them out. There's nothing on the patch. Let's see. Oh wait. What? That pimple is completely gone. I had a little zit there. I have video footage. That pimple is completely gone. I had a little breakout there. Okay, this one was an actual pimple. So let's see. This one's flat and this one's flat as well. And this one's just completely gone. The patches work. I'm gonna brush my teeth, do my little skincare, and I am going to order food because I'm hungry.
Burger, right?
Yo, let's get that. You don't want a burger?
I don't know.
Okay, but that was chicken. I'm still shocked at this one right here. It's completely flat. Like, it's literally almost gone. It's crazy. So I just washed my face and now I'm about to use the Rescue Balm on those problem areas as well. And that should do the trick. The Mighty Patch already like did 80% of the job. It flattened out the pimples. I'm just gonna focus this Rescue Balm on those areas. I love how this has a little applicator so it's easy to target the pimples. So I just put 3 dots on my face. This is actually a post-blemish recovery cream, so it's perfect for this situation. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this on while I eat for the next couple hours. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to check out Hero Cosmetics and use my discount code Shoshana15 for 15% off of your purchase. All the links will be in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye!
Anything to make you smile.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, could you love me on the bus? I like 21.